how to print from laptop and PC to printer. So let's get started. So here I am using the MacBook. So in MacBook, make sure that your printer is connected and turned on. If your printer connects over Wi-Fi, this will mean making sure that you are on the same internet network as your printer. After that, open the document you want to print. This could be a PDF, Word document, Pages document, or even pictures. Then on your keyboard, paste Command+P. This is the keyboard shortcut to open the print menu. You can also click File at the top toolbar and then Print. After that, select your printer, click the printer drop-down box, then click your printer's name in the drop-down menu. Select a number of copies, choose the number in the copies field as well. Edit the other printer settings, click Show Details to expand the pages settings. You can also select pages to print. If you leave all selected, your entire document will print. Paper size, use this option to scale your printer's margins up or down for different paper sizes. Then orientation, determine whether your document is orientated vertically or horizontally. Then also the number of sides. Then simply click print. It is in the bottom right corner of the window and your document will begin printing. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.